Hi, second grade. So today our math lesson is lesson 122, and it's all about right angles. Okay, so it's should be very easy and very simple, but if you have any questions and you need help with the homework or need extra examples, please let me know. All right, so right angles. Let's start with this shape here. What kind of shape is this? What kind of a shape is this here? Well, this is a rectangle. A rectangle. And if you look at this rectangle, how many angles can you find? How many angles can you find? So take a look and let me know how many angles you can find. So count them and then just put them on a piece of paper or just keep them in your head. All right, so here we have 4 angles, and we've done problems where you have a shape and you have to count how many angles there are. Well, if we trace along the edges here, okay, so if you trace along this edge here, right here, okay, where you see the pink, if you trace along this edge, you will get a shape that is an L, okay, and that is called a right angle, So, so what we're going to do is we'll go over an example, but I first want to talk about this shape called L. It's a capital L. So this L, which can be seen here, can be turned in any direction, okay? So I have drawn this L shape in different directions, and it's in black, okay? So it can go like this in the actual L shape. It can be flipped, all kinds of different ways, okay? So then to create a right angle, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a small L here, like this. Okay? And here you're creating a right angle. So you're creating a right angle. So it seems a little complicated, but it really is not. So I'm actually going to do an example for you here. So here we have a square. Now, how many angles total do we have? We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. So we're going to have 4 right angles. And so what we're going to do is we're going to draw the L shape. Like that, like that, like that, and like that. And these are called right angles. We have just made a right angle. So we have 4 right angles. So we're just going to write down 4. Now, what if I had this shape here? Okay, what if I had this shape here? It looks kind of like a house. So what if I had this shape here? Well, how many right angles could we have here? We can have, do you remember how I said it can be like this, where you can create a right angle here? So we could have a right angle here, here, and here, okay? But we get these here, excuse me, these here cannot be right angles, but this one can be a right angle, this one, and this one here. So we have a total of 3 right angles. All right, so if you have any questions, if you need extra help, like I said at the beginning, please have your parents email me, or you can leave me a message in Google Classroom if you know how to, and I'll be happy to help you out with that. But other than that, your homework is worksheet 122. Bye, second grade.